Yes, Namaste children. Today we will discuss some problems from the chapter 5. I will do that some of the problems. We have an example here you see, right? All the common factors of 36, 48 and 60. Okay, already in the last class also we discussed about the common factors and factor trees and common multiples. Again, just I am doing some more examples. Okay. Here, first, before writing the common factors, first we have to write the factors of every number given. Here, the factors of 36. Here, first we list out the factors. Factors of 36. Means the factors of 36 means how do you get the factors? When any two numbers multiplied by each other, you will get, you have to get 36. It gives 36. Means here, already the properties of the factors, one is a factor of every number. Means one multiplies the number is the number itself. Means 136 or 36, you write like this. 136 or 36, you need not to write like this here. Okay, it is 136 or 36. If you write like this, okay, then next 2. 2 is also factor of 36 because 36 is an even number. Like this here. 2 18s are 36. Okay? 2 18s are 36. Then next 3 table, when you read 3 table. Yeah. 3 12s are 36. 3 12s are 36. Next 4 table if you read. 4 9s are 36. Yes. 4 9s are 36. 5. If you recite 5 table, you will not get it 36 because 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. Means 36. You are not getting. Means 5 is not a factor of 36. Next 6. 6 6 are 36. Okay. 6 6 are 36. Then this much, these are the factors. Okay. If you list all these factors in order, you need not write like this. If you write them in order, here I am writing the order. The factors in order, you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. These are the factors. Okay, you need not to write like in this way. You write like this. But until or unless you have the practice, if you have to write like this. पहले ऐसे लिखते जाओ, उस समय प्रैक्टिस हो जाने के बाद तुम इसे लिख सकते हो. Next, factors of what number next is factors of 48. Factors of 48. Then 148 are 48. For your convenience, I am writing here. You see, every number is a factor already. I told you 148 are 48. The next 2 is also 224 are 48. Okay. The next 3 316s are 48. 316s are 48. Next 4 12s are 48. 4 12s are 48. 5 is not a factor. The next 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. After 6, what is the next? 9 7. 7 is not a factor. 8 6 are 48 already there. 9 is not a factor. Okay, next 9 after 10 is not a factor. 10 to 26, 48, 9 is the 11 is not factor. Because 11 to 26, 48, 9 is the 12 is a factor. Already is there. 12 4 are 48. If you write them in order, you like this, you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, okay, 24, and 48. Okay, then you write the factors of 60. Factors of 60. Here, while writing the factors, 160 are 60. 2, 2 30s, 60, 3 60, 4 15s, 60, 5 12s, 60. The next 6 10s, 60, 6 10s are 60. Then after that 7 is not a factor, 8 is not a factor, 9 is not a factor, 10, like this. If you write them in order, I am writing them in order. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 15, 20, 30, and 60. Now you write the common factors. Common factors. Common factors will be, see the number that should be appear in 3. You have it. These are the common factors. You see. Not factors. These are the factors. Look here 1 is a factor. First, you circle this because we know that 1 is a factor of every number. 1. The next is 2. 2 is here. 2 is here. 2 is here. 2 is present in 3 numbers. Okay? 2 is a common factor. You circle this. 3 is present in all these numbers. You write it. Next, 4 is also present. The next 6. 6 is here present, here present, here present. Yes, it's also. You write. 5 is not present in all numbers. Here 5 is there. 9 is here. 9 is not present here. Okay. Then next 12. 12 is present here. 12 is present here. 12 is present. We circle this. 12. The next 18 is present here. No 18 here. Here also not there. It means next year 36, no 36, no 36. Means these are the factors. Okay. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. These are the common factors of the numbers. Okay. In this way, you can do that. Then you see, write the factor tree. Draw a factor tree of, for example, here 144. While drawing the factor tree of this number, you see that you write 144. You split this number into 2 factors. One of the number itself, they don't take. Here next 2. 2 into 72. 2 72s are 144. The next 2 is a prime number because you cannot split this one into 2 factors except one of the number itself. इसको 1 and 2 इसमें लिख सकते हो. ये जोड़ करके दूसरा में लाइए. Then you to write 2. Here you split this one again. Here 2 36 or 72. Here 2 you directly write into this 2 you write into 36 you split this one 2 18s. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 9s 18. Here 2 9s 18. Here you see that after this line I am not writing there, it is not visible in the screen. Okay, here this. Here 2 into 2 into 18. Okay now? Then this can again, same 2 you write. 18 can be split like this 2 9s. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2. With these numbers, we need not to split. Again, this 3 9 into this is like this. It means here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3. These are the common factors of this common, these are the factors of 144. When you multiply these numbers, you will get 144. You see here something 2 18s, 2 into 36, 2, 2 here, 2 again, something what way will it be? 1, 2 I have forgotten here. One more 2 here. Yes. Now, here you see. Here, when you multiply this, all these factors, you have to get again 144. You see that 2 into 2, 8, 8 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 3 into 3, 19, 16 nines, 3 3s are 9, 16 nines are 144. In this way, you can draw the factor tree. Okay, na? Then you take different composite numbers, you write the factor trees. Okay.